After a 2-day break in the Asia Cup 2023, the Super 4 round is set to resume on Saturday. Sri Lanka will be taking on Bangladesh at our Premadasa Stadium in Colombo. Sri Lanka have had a wonderful time in their one-day international campaign and are just one win away from getting their 13th consecutive ODI win. With a win against Bangladesh, Sri Lanka will become the second most successful team in ODI cricket in terms of most consecutive ODI wins. On the other hand, Bangladesh have played 3 games in Asia Cup 2023 and have only one win against Afghanistan. Colombo is expected to get heavy rain on Saturday and the possibility of a full match looks very grim. Weather remains wet in Colombo for the next week as well. Sri Lanka is witnessing heavy rains due to the delayed monsoon season.